Do you love your brother? You gonna give him kisses? Aw, you're the sweetest big brother ever. Yeah? Baby. Say baby Zane. Say I love Zane. You love your baby? Whoop. You gonna lay with him? Is he hungry?
Mama.
Jace. Yep, I'm right here. I think Zane is hungry. Look at him. He's trying to eat the blanket. Say bye-bye.